Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Marachi here again. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this antioxidant dense smoothie that will help you to glow your skin from inside out. If you are battling with dry skin, then this smoothie is for you. So keep watching. So the first ingredient that we're going to be needing is kiwi. I'll be using 4 kiwis for this recipe. Kiwi is a very rich fruit with lots of minerals and vitamins. This fruit contains high amounts of antioxidant, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory properties. It has antioxidants such as vitamin C and vitamin E, which is very good for your skin health. It will help you to fight against those skin dryness. So if you are battling with dryness of the skin, kiwi is very good to incorporate in your day-to-day diet because it will help you to glow from inside out. It will also help you to fight against diseases such as cardiovascular diseases and cancer. So this amazing fruit is very good to incorporate in your diet. So the next ingredient that I'm going to be needing is pineapple. I'll be using frozen pineapple for this recipe. Pineapple contains loads of vitamin C and antioxidants that can treat acne, sun damage, and uneven skin toning. It also contains anti-aging properties because the more you get old, the more your skin begins to lose its glow. So eating pineapple will really help you to glow your skin from inside out. The next ingredient that I'm going to be using is pomegranate. This amazing fruit is thought to contain natural antimicrobials from vitamin C, which may help fight bacteria and fungus in your skin. It also nourishes your skin from within and lightens all the blemishes and scars. This pack will help to exfoliate your skin and give you that amazing glow from within. It will also help you to fight against chronic acne. If you are battling with acne, pomegranate is very good to incorporate in your day-to-day diet because it protects your skin from free radicals. This amazing fruit can also help you to fight against diseases such as heart disease and cancer. The next ingredient that we're going to be using is berries. I'll be using mixed berries for this recipe. I have lots of berries over there. I have blueberries, I have raspberries, I have strawberries, beeberries, cranberries, and acai berries over there. Berries may help to reduce skin wrinkling as their antioxidants help control free radicals, one of which is leading to skin damage that contribute to aging at early age. So when you take berry, it will help you to age in reverse. So what I'm doing now, I'm transferring all the ingredients to my blender, and I will be using water to blend it very well. And you want to blend it to a very smooth paste so that you can enjoy your smoothie while taking it. You don't want to be eating those big chunks of the fiber in your smoothie. You want to blend for you to derive that smooth smoothie. So I want to use this medium to say a very big thank you to all my old subscribers, and to all my new subscribers, thank you for clicking on that red button. And if you are watching to this extent and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please consider subscribing and also put on the post notification bell so you won't miss out any of my contents. Here we have our amazing skin glowing smoothie that will glow your skin from inside out. Taking this smoothie at least twice in a week will help you to glow your skin from inside out. It will fight against those skin dryness and help you to fight against free radicals from your body and prevent aging and acne. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumb up and also share to your loved ones. There are 2 videos that will pop up on the screen. Please click on any of them to watch on the content. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.